1,500 drones form a huge QR code over the sky of Shanghai in celebration of the anniversary of a game. The QR code, when scanned, redirect players to the H5 download page of Princess Connect, Redrive, by Psy Games. This may look like a scene out of Blade Runner, but this is not the first time drone shows like this has happened in the skies of Shanghai. On March 29, Hyundai's luxury brand, Genesis launched 3,000 drones in the sky for a captivating nighttime show. The show even broke Guinness World Record for the most unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, airborne simultaneously. The drone show staged by Psy Games, however, was innovative in a whole new level. The sky was filled with artistic choreographies, gameplays and characters found in the game itself. But what made the audience wow was when the drones formed a huge QR code towards the end of the show. This caught the attention of the audience, who took out their smartphones and scanned the QR code floating over the sky. After scanning, people were taken to the H5 page of the game, where they can learn more about the game, download, and install the game on their smartphones. Not only did the QR code lead to game downloads and installs, but it kept the audience talking even after the show. Is this the future? Looks like we will be seeing more QR code ads in the sky in the future. What are your thoughts?